Now, once again, Miss Patti Page.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down that highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keeps turning our way. And our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. And again, the life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. I'm on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. I'm on the road again.
When did you start singing Willie Nelson, Patti?
Well, there's always been a lot of country in the songs that I did, you know, like Tennessee Waltz and Allegheny Moon.
How about How Much Is That Doggy in the Window?
Well, the dog was from Georgia.
I think we better sing.
I think we better too. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill,
then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockin Bird Hill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockin Bird Hill. Patti, we found out that today is a very special day for you. And so we'd like to sing one more song. It's really the music of all of our lives. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.